Hi, so okay guys, we've got a Mercedes E-Class 2006, got a flat battery. Quick and easy method of starting this with a power pack. Location of the positive and negative terminal. So open the bonnet up. We're just going to go round to the passenger side. We can see here we've got a negative already there, and the positive is underneath this panel, so we're just going to unclip a couple of clips there. Open it up, there it is, it's just there. So open that flap and just move it aside. You can just see the terminal. Got a power pack. Don't forget, we're putting the positive on first and then the negative on afterwards, and that should power us up. There we go. So all started down.